Hey, metal cutting maniacs. Mike here from Jupiter Machine Tool. Meet the Jupiter VMC4024 Wlmd, your new hybrid hero. This machine doesn't just cut metal, it prints it, machines it, and prints profits while you sleep. No billets, no sawing, no scrap piles, just near net-shaped metal parts printed and finished in one setup. Automotive, ag, medical, defense, mining, you name it, this beast owns it. Other 3D metal printers need ovens and headaches. This, print it, machine it, catch it. That's simple. We're talking 99.998% dense metal, stronger than forgings, no porosity, no drama. Multi-metal, internal channels, think Inconel, titanium, stainless, bronze, copper, you name it. Got a busted shaft, mold or die? Don't scrap it, repair it. The VMC4024 Wlmd brings broken parts back to life and keeps the green rolling in. And forget powder, it's messy, toxic, expensive. We use wire, safe, simple, strong. Specs, 40.2 by 24 by 24 envelope, meonite cast iron frame, precision linear guides, FANUC with touchscreen controls, and it's automation, ready out of the gate. Bottom line, less waste, more output, and lights out production that pays you while you sleep. I'm Mike from Jupiter Machine Tool. Call us now and hit jupitermt.com. Let's fire it up and make money.